Ito muna si Stewardess Saida.
Stewardess Saida.
Oy, maganda yung dala kahapon What was that yesterday? That was
Yes, pili nut and rice puffs. And today, I prepared charan, pastillas, and broas.
Okay. For Kiko.
Yes.
Ito ba paborito ni Kiko?
Maybe.
Oo.
bakit
sa
naman?
chichirin.
Ano ito?
Broas.
Ganyan yung pinamigay ni Julia nung Pasko.
Baka yan yun. Okay, thank you. Ay, salamat.
Okay.